Hi guys, this is Birdhouse Garden. We're going to show you videos on how to plant in your garden and landscape your flower beds. So we'll start here in our garden. I have 3 garden boxes in here, so I think we're going to put chili plants in this one, and we have wildflowers growing in here that we planted months ago. So those are trying to get pulled up, so not sure what we'll put in there. And in the far one, of course, we'll put some herbs over there. It's always nice to have some herbs for cooking. So the walkway in here is just dirt. It's nice and hard dirt, but I think we're going to put some crushed gravel down, and not sure if I'm going to put landscape fabric down, but may not have to do that. May just put some crushed gravel down, but we'll show you how to do that. So I've already put garden border down at the bottom of the fence here to keep the gravel in, and not make its way over to the neighbor's yard there. That'll hold it all in. And also the fence was a bit high, so it'll keep their turtle from wandering over. So we'll be showing you probably videos on that also. So it should look really nice and inviting in here, and look forward to doing that. So outside of the garden here, we have a rather large oleander bush here. So it's actually 4 bushes. It's actually it's about 20 feet high, and I need to cut it down to probably 8 feet high is usually what I had it before. So not looking forward to doing that. That's going to be a job. So, but it's going to have to happen. So anyways, here's some flower beds. This corner had a large tree here, but that got diseased and came down. So I think what we're going to put in here for a privacy screening is emerald arborvitae. They grow up to like 15 feet and maybe 3 or 4 feet wide. So we may fill that in this corner over here. And our flower beds look pretty plain right now, but we took out a lot of mature and old bushes that were in here, and thought it's a good time. We'll just go freshen the whole yard up. The block wall was put up by the business that was behind us, so I think on that we're going to put creeping figs. So we'll plant several in the back here. We'll be running watering system to it, and we'll show you how to do that. So it should look real nice. This part right here, I think we're going to put a fountain, a 3-tier fountain. And I think they said about 4 feet high or something like that. I don't think want anything too big here, but it looks like it'd be a good focal point right here for a fountain. You hear a fountain going on right now, but it's just a little waterfall one. Just kind of quiet and soothing, and thought the larger one would be nice to look at. You can see it from the inside the house. Would be great. So again, here's some more flower beds. There's our dog's house, and we'll probably pull up some of these bricks here, and we'll get a hose reel and mount it on the wall, just tidy it up and make it look really good here. And we'll change up this water system, this sprinkler system here also. So, and all this was cleaned up yesterday. I had it all cleaned up and ready for taping today, and the wind came last night and just destroyed the yard. So I wasn't about to clean that up again right now, so we'll do it at a later time. Here's my wife's gardening bench where she does all her planting and the pots and everything, so I'll have to she's running out of room, so she's asked me to put a shelf above it and below it also for her soils and amendments, and just pots to set up on. So that's another project we'll be doing here. Have another flower bed in the back here that I have a sprinkler here, so we'll just be running, we might run a sprinkler and a drip line here. So we'll show you a whole video on planting and making this place look really nice and inviting here. This wall here, I know you're looking at what is this, but it has these scallops that they put on back in the like late 70s when they built this house, and maybe it was nice then, But yeah, I'm done with that, and I'm grinding it all off right now. Couldn't find a stucco company who wanted to tackle taking it off, so I'm taking an angle grinder myself, and masks and everything, and I'm grinding it all off of there. So that's a very messy job. So as soon as I get that done, I'll have them come out and re-stucco, and that should freshen up the house. And with the probably a good time to come, we're gonna have them do that before we do the all the flower beds, and because I know they'll walk all over it. So oh, here's a trailer I had just picked up. Picked this up for a couple $100. You can pick it up at a hardware store, and it's a 4x8 trailer. I don't have a place to park a trailer, so this one worked well. I could fold it up and roll it back here for storage. So for small projects, it's a nice trailer to have, and like I said, it's inexpensive. So it's something great. So anyways, we'll be glad you can come and visit us, and hope you look for us again, Birdhouse Garden, and hope to see you soon.